need this for my next project.
I need this for my class as a 17-year-old.
No, I need it.
I don't even get it.
Oh.
Well, now you can rent the Makerspace cart by filling out this QR code and selecting and filling out all the information on it.
Why don't we both use it?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, do you want to go color? I think you already left. I think recording.
Oh, now you got it?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go like, terrible smile. And we're gonna go like, yeah.
Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh my goodness, it's the blood drop. It's been so long. When's the next blood drive? Oh my goodness, over here. Oh my goodness, it's Monday, April 1st from 8:30 a.m. to around 3 in the back gym. Okay, well, I'll see you there, blood drop, bye.
Has been the Howl. When things are going wrong, they are also going wrong.